like this and the food comes out. He's figured it out. Little titmouse, she's pissed off. Don't worry, honey, have more, okay? See, that covers it. He can't get it when he does that. See, he doesn't know where it went. He's pissed. You take your hand off it, buddy.
Yeah, that claw is preventing him.
Right, the claw pulls it down, like as if it was a squirrel on it. Now he can get it. He doesn't understand why when he puts his hand on, he can't get the food.
Yo, dude.
He's very clever, though. Hi, you so cute. Oh my God.
He's hearing things.
No, he clearly doesn't care. This titmouse isn't happy about it. This is a male and female titmouse right here. They must have a nest.
Hey, big guy. Hey, buddy.
He's looking around.
Hey, big bear.
Oh God, it's so funny. Okay.
Oh yeah, this is the big buffet.
Oh, you know it. I wonder if he's the one that ate the rest, because he ate a lot.
Oh,
That thing
probably.
I filled it up yesterday.
Oh yeah, probably. I think he's double dipping. He probably
Oh, yeah.
has surveyed the neighborhood and gone, no, this is the best place to eat for sure.